Look to Daddy. Kus. Oh my God, she loved it.
You brought a towel, right?
Maybe. I don't know.